How our customers interacted with us has changed fundamentally over the last several years. Now, over 70% of our customers choose to make a claim with us online using fully digital technology. Suncorp is a purpose-driven organisation that operates across both Australia and New Zealand. Our purpose is about building futures and protecting what matters for our customers. Insurance is a data-driven business, and we've been working with AI capability for several years already. The opportunity to take advantage of the Copilot PCs and the native capability that allows our staff to enhance their personal productivity using Microsoft 365 Copilot is fantastic. And for that reason, we've started rolling them out across Australia. Every employee at Suncorp has a Windows 11 device. It's a game changer for us. It really balances the tension between end user experience and security.
Security and data protection is always at the forefront of what we do. Windows 11 has unlocked a seamless experience whether you're on a cloud-native device or you're using our virtual environment remotely.
I'm really excited about having my Copilot PC device because I'm constantly context shifting. So being able to find information across my device has really helped my productivity. The other great thing is the battery life. I'm always on the go.
Back when Cyclone Alfred was heading towards Brisbane, we had to enable our frontline workers very quickly to scale up our contact centres, and the Copilot PC was just approved for use in time to deliver that experience. We have deployed Microsoft 365 Copilot to over 4,000 people, and that's growing. Copilot has helped immensely, and now the turnaround times for users in the business is faster than ever before.
AI will not only help to streamline processes, but taking all of that low-value, repetitive activity out of people's day-to-day allows them to fully focus on high-value tasks, which is to get our customers' claims resolved and back to their life as quickly as possible. The productivity that can be unlocked by using all of these different products, really, the sky is the limit.